Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel akcoding, where we will dive deep into web development tips, tricks, and comparisons. If you are new here, please hit the subscription and bell icon so that you will never miss an update. In today's video, we will discuss a highly debated topic in developer community, that is React.js versus Vue.js. These are two of the most popular JavaScript frameworks out there, and both have their own unique strengths and weaknesses. Whether you are deciding which one to learn or just curious about how they stack up against each other, you are in the right place. By end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of which framework might be the best fit for your next project, so stick around. Let's see the differences between both technologies based on the feature provided in it. Difference number first, type. React is JavaScript library primarily focused on building user interfaces, especially view layer in the application. It provides flexibility, allowing developer control to choose their own tools for routing, state management, and more. Whereas Vue.js is a JavaScript framework that offer a more comprehensive solution with built-in tool for state management, routing, and more. It designed to more opinionated, provided a structured way to build application out of the box. Let's move forward. Difference number second, created by. React was created by Facebook in 2013 to address challenges in building complex interactive user interfaces. It was developed to optimize performance and manage UI update efficiently, whereas Vue.js on other hand was created by Evenue in 2014 as a more lightweighted, flexible alternative to existing frameworks. Difference number third, architecture. React follow a component-based architecture focusing primarily on the view layer. It does not provide out-of-the-box solutions for state management or routing. It totally rely on the third-party libraries like Redux or React Router for these functionalities. This make React highly flexible, allow developer to structure their application as they see fit. But it required more decision regarding overall architecture of the application. Vue.js also uses component-based architecture, but it is more of a framework, offering built-in solutions like Vuex for state management and Vue Router for routing. This makes Vue.js more opinionated, providing a more structured approach to building application which can simplify development by offering more cohesive set of the tool out of the box. Let us move forward. Difference number fourth, learning curve. When I come to the learning curve, React can be a bit more challenging to pick up, especially for the beginners. This is because React introduced concepts like JSX and offer required developer to work with variety of other tools and libraries to handle things like state management and routings. On the other hand, Vue.js is easier to learn, especially if you are just starting out. Its syntax is similar and it is feel more like traditional web development. Vue.js also provide more built-in features. Difference number fifth, ecosystem. React has large with numerous third parties, libraries and tools, whereas Vue.js is smaller but with a cohesive ecosystem. Difference number six, data binding. React is one-way data binding, whereas Vue.js is two-way data binding. Difference number seventh, state management. React required additional libraries like Redux and Context API, whereas Vue.js is built-in state management with Vuex. Difference number 8, community size. React is larger, more widespread in enterprise applications, whereas Vue.js is growing popular among small and medium projects. Difference number ninth, flexibility. React is highly flexible, allow for integrations with the other libraries and frameworks, whereas Vue.js is flexible but more opinionated in structures. Difference number 10th, use cases. React is best for complex and large scale applications, whereas Vue.js is ideal for small and medium size applications. In conclusions, both React and Vue.js are powerful frameworks, but they cater to different needs. React is a great choice if you need flexibility and you are working on large scale applications, as it is integrates well with various tools and libraries. However, this flexibility comes with a steeper learning curve. Vue.js, on the other hand, is user friendly and ideal for small and medium sized projects, offering a more straightforward development experience with a built-in features. Your choice between these two should depend upon your project's requirement, team expertise, and the complex of your applications you are working with. That's it guys. I hope this video will helpful for you. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.